Yo, what's up? Welcome back to another video. They are playing Airplane Story 4. You're already muting the music. No. I give up. New scary horror game. Oh my god. No way, it's the freaking guy from K-pop Demon Hunters. Let's go in this one. Come on, B-ball. Get in, B-ball. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hashtag. Airplane Story 4. One last flight. The last episode of the Airplane Stories. That wakey wakey eggs and bacon. What? Don't tell me you forgot. Today is the big day. Let me remind you. We are flying to Rahamas. Get down here. Why am I in the woman's bedroom? Why are all the guys in the woman's bedroom? I don't want to sleep here. Yo, father. Father. Oh yeah, no way. Oh my god. I can't believe you forgot. We don't even have time. That's it. Whoever doesn't have the baggage ready for the breakfast is not going onto the trip. I'll start making burgers in the backyard. Riyab. Remove from Kebab Demon Hunters. I think that was your name. Remove. I really want to go on the trip. What are we going to do? I don't even remember where my clothes are. Who needs clothes? Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We 45 seconds to explore the house and see what everything is. Then we can start packing. Literally even. What are you quiz with? Dog. 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 Oh. Gabriel's back. Oh my god, Gabriel. Remember from the last one where Gabriel died and with his tragic death. Okay, guys, then to start packing. Let's go. What do I need to get? That's not even here. We have to go to the boys' bedroom. This one. Am I gonna make it in time? If we get another one, I think the 17-second time frame. No, I just have to wait. Okay. Or all I'm packing one green shirt. What do I need now? Oh, red shirt. That might be in this room. Yes, it is. I am the Flash. Or Sonic, supersonic speed. I don't want to go sleep. Can I emote in this game like all the other ones? Use again. Oh my god, I'm open Gangnam Style. Oh wait, do I need to get more? Yeah, purple trousers are most likely gonna be over here. Yeah. Might just like a purple guy. Purple. I'm guessing that's everything. I need 2 shirts and 1 trousers. That's all I need. I don't need shoes. Who needs shoes nowadays? Not me. Where we're going, we don't need shoes. Let's do one more. No? Okay. Father is cooking burgers. What's that weird one? You didn't cook that one, right, Father? Let's go to the backyard. Father, you sure you know how to cook your cooked burgers? I want to sit on the special chair. Come on, let all the cool kids. This is a cool kid table. This cool kid table. This cool kid table. Only cool kids are allowed here. Morning, the cool kids. Dude, I'm so hungry. If I get this stinky burger, I'm not eating it. Sit on the picnic table. Yes, I am sitting on the picnic table. I'm sitting with all the cool kids. No burger for you. 1 for Ice Cream Bear. 1 for Andy. Then you won't get this disgusting burger. Oh, I got a burger. You get this disgusting one. No, no one gets this disgusting one. That's a surprise. Nom nom nom. I love my cheeseburger. Hello everyone. We are back on the Bloxiest Tech News. Oh, it's the radio. Listen to the radio. Okay, I'll listen to the radio. I'm looking at the radio. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. We spinny. Skibidi toilet emote. On me dance, we spin. What's happening? Oh, the president did something and he disappeared, and then the police just warned everyone that we could be useful. We're useful. Oh my god. That's the first time anyone has ever said that to me. I'm actually useful. Oh my god, look at the time. Oh my god. We are running out late on our flight. There is no way we can make it in time. Unless... Follow me. You almost fell in the pool. Come on, old man. Oh crap, I just... I have a bad feeling about this. The garage. Wait for it. Epic reveal. It's me whooping Gangnam Style. I present to you airplanes. Oh my god. I get to fly like a little birdie. I get to fly to the airport to catch another plane. That's so funny. If we're flying to the airport to catch an airplane, why can't we just use these airplanes? Well, is someone missing a plane? No. Gabriel died, I think. No, he's still here. Time to fly. See you guys on your side. Wait, we don't even know how to fly these. We will have to find a way out. Just be careful with the obstacles. Obstacles! Come a little baggy. Oh, how do I fly this? Why are these controls so awkward? I thought I was gonna be using this thing. No. Caution. I'm gonna hit the caution sign. Come on. It's right through that little gap. Yes. Go up a little bit. This way. This way a little bit more. Up. Right. I think that's right. Down. This way. Up. This way. This way. This way. This way. This way. This way. Oh my god. I'm gonna sweat. I still have the airplane controls on my phone screen. They're just normal. Yo, father. Who's we still waiting on? Who's lazy ass are we still waiting on? I forgot to tell you, flying over the shortcuts is illegal. How dare you, father? You could have told us that before we even started. Hopefully nobody saw you. The airport is just around the corner. How dare you, father? I almost went the wrong way. Father, where are you going? You just followed me, basically. It's right here. Here, yeah. The wait for father's slow ass to catch up. How are you on 1 health? How'd you do that? You do it that badly? Let's cross the street. Wait. No, 0 0 0 0 0 0. You will be missed 0 0 0 0 0 0. Mind you, only. Oh no, this guy's on full health as well. We're just West. We're built different. Oh wait, this other flight. I already have my ticket. Get yours before the plane takes off without us. Baggage. Put the baggage in here. So smart. And then we get ticket, and then we give it to you. And then we, and no, we go this way and we give it to you. Okay. Let's see if these idiots are smart enough to put their bag in the freaking thing and just take their ticket and then just walk in here. Hold your ticket out. No, we're gonna lose a second, Gabriel. Come on. Come on, Gabriel. No. No, Gabriel. Gabriel. No. You're still alive. Gabriel, you live. Oh my god. You almost gave me a heart attack. Gabriel, are you still stuck over there? You are. Hello. You must be last passengers flying to Bahamas. Don't worry, you are just in time. All you need to do now is go through the metal detector and you're good to go. Alright, okay, that's easy enough. Bing. I am evil, Mr. Evil Guy. Oh, I have like a gun in my pocket or something. But no, it's my guitar made of metal. You in the moonwalk. Something is not right. Please wait a minute. Oh no! I don't like how that sounds. What sounds? The police. Yo, police. What happened? You are going to have to come with us. Why? What we do? Nah. Most of know about it. Can I have this? Okay. Thank you. Now I'm gonna let my slaves fly. You guys must protect me at all costs. We are not losing, totally not losing the fight. You beat up your father. What is that red thing in there, sir? Where? Oh, there. Oh, Mr. Spooky Man. Is that Darth Maul from Star Wars? Last one. My plan is finally complete. Oh, this is the skeleton guy from the other two. Hello, are you enjoying the show? Humans. I love how there's just like a little lady out there. Just minding her own business, not even paying attention to the giant skeleton outside. Anyway, what did you build that yapping about? Don't worry, you will be a part of my army too. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? I don't know. We will see you in the afterlife. Moo ha ha ha. Moo ha ha. Me. You guys are supposed to protect me. You're not supposed to be up here. This spooky skeleton guys down there. Look, the cops are there. Let's ask them for help. I don't think those cops are friendly. Find a weapon and kill the infected cops. They can climb. We have to kill them. The progress won't go on if we don't kill them. Come on, help me, like, come on, no, I'm not doing it. I did too much help. It ate my bat. Shocked emoji. I failed. There is vent. See if we can get over there. I found an open vent. We need to get out of here quick. Wait, where is father? He got the milk. Oh no, he didn't. He's on there. You need to keep going. Without me. Oh no. The skeleton curse is affecting Dad. We have to do something. But first we have to get out of this place before the more monsters come. Ouch. Wait for everyone to finish. Wait, who even are you? I am Pancho, ex-general of the Robloxia State of Army. I heard you in the news. You're not supposed to be dead, aren't you? I've been trying the strange creature for years, since the world depended on it. I had to fake my birthday. We are the only ones left. We have to find and destroy Skeletox before the bad energy consumes us. We need to do this for our dad. It's time to be a hero then. Follow me. You're slow as father was. Who's this boogeyman? That way. Who are you? I guess we'll find out when he decides to make it over here. God, you're slow. Be careful. This guy might be infected. Wait, why does he seem familiar? Hello, General. Remember me? Oh my god, it's Ronaldo. No way. You're supposed to be dead. You're both supposed to be dead. I guess we were both supposed to be dead. That's what I said. But here we are. My dark side attacked the president's plane. We got shot in the face. They made my curse become weaker. The only way I can completely be free is by killing Skeletox. I still don't trust you. You could be lying to us. You are not going to be a part of this mission. Well, I'm still going to do it, General. Who's coming with me? There is no way my team is going with you. Using Ronaldo. No, yeah, I'm so good at Ronaldo. It's Ronaldo. Go with Ronaldo. Bye bye, Mr. Generalman. We choose to go with Ronaldo. Good luck, soldiers. You are going to need it. Ronaldo. This is the place where the Skeletox hide. You guys hear that? They're coming for us. We have to rush inside. Split off. You guys need to. I'm following this guy because I believe that he knows the right way. Never mind. We're all not splitting up and we're just following even. Money even, please tell me we're going the right way. Because I don't want to die. Oh, we went the right way. Okay, we're here. We all made it. The altar. This is not good. Holy spooky time. Why are the eyes of the statue glowing? Where are they? Ronaldo! What, are you Ronaldo? Yes, that's me. How are they, doctor? Follow me, please. I don't like the feeling of this. This man died. I'm really sorry, kid. Your parents are not going to make it. The plane crash was too bad. We did all we could. I'll give you a minute to say goodbye. I'm really sorry. Mom, Dad? You can't go. I need you. I'm just a kid. There has to be something I can do. There is one thing. I can give you your parents a second chance if you are willing to accept my deal. Tell me more. When the time comes, you will have to crash your plane full of passengers and it will take their soul. As a result, I will revive your parents. But if you fail, I will take your soul instead. I will do it. This is for you, Mom and Dad. Airplane 4, One last fly. Is that the end of the game? Okay, it is. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.